Good morning, all of you. This is Mr. Pijatitis from Salem classes. So, students, today we will discuss about the chapter number 1.2, Monday morning. Already we have discussed the word power, question answer, and lesson explanation, everything. But this is the last part of exercise, book work at the same time, grammar in use also. So I want to complete word power and grammar in use. Okay, so let's begin. Before entering to this video lecture, I would like to request to you, if newly you are visiting my channel, so please subscribe it and hit the bell icon, at the same time forward it to your friends and your classmates. So word power, first of all you see, fill in the box three other words that have almost the same meaning. Okay, so we need to fill the blanks with the same meaning. Already I have written here, you might have seen the writing is not that much good, but somehow I hope you will understand it. Seize. Seize means grasp, clutch, capture. Okay, something you capture, or something you grasp, or something you clutch. Awful. Awful means dreadful, fearful, and horrible. Okay, what is dreadful, fearful, and horrible? You can get the spelling from the box. Okay, if you can't understand the writing, so you can get according to the pronunciation, you can get from the box. Then groan. Groan means you have seen that what Tom was doing. You are groaning. Okay, groan, moan, lament, grumble. Okay, when we feel something sad, so such kind of act that would happen in us. Okay, response. Response means reply, answer, reaction. Okay, reply, answer, or reaction. Maybe some question asked you, and you will be asked what is your response. Okay, investigate. That's very simple, something we search. Okay, investigate means something we search. Search, examine, enquire. Search, examine, enquire. Then 2 and 3 I skipped. If it is possible, so we will do that next time, because it will be taking too much place for writing of the sentences. That is why I left it. If you need it necessary, so I will make that another video and I will send you. Okay, then next is there grammar in use. Okay, grammar in use. So here you see that join the following pair of sentence by using because. Okay, that's very simple. You have to remove the full stop. Okay, you have to remove the full stop. Then after you add there because, and after full stop the capital letter should be changed into small letter. One example has been given for you. and according to that way you have to write here. Okay, he didn't work hard, he failed. Okay, how we will write that he failed? Because he didn't work hard. Okay, he will succeed because he has worked hard. Okay, here you can put there because. Instead of the full stop, you put here because. You should start early because it is a long journey. Okay, he is not going to work because there is a strike. He is not going to work because there is a strike. It was raining heavily because it has raining heavily. Sorry, we can write, we can change it a little bit a different way. The meeting had to be stopped because it was raining heavily. We can write like this. Okay, we have to change it. Okay, next, again I tell you, number 5, the meeting had to be postponed because it was raining heavily. Then 6th number, Tom had made a row over nothing, but Aunt Polly was angry with him. Tom had made a row over nothing because Aunt Polly was angry with him. Next, rewrite each sentence you have formed by putting because in the beginning as because he didn't work hard, he failed. Okay. Rewrite the sentence using not any in place of no. Okay. You have to add here not and any. He discovered nothing. He did not discover anything. Okay, come nowhere near me. Don't come anywhere near me. Both are done for you, and you have to done from 3 to 6. They found nobody at home. You can write like this. They did not find anybody at home. Again I tell you, they did not find anybody at home. They went nowhere after supper. They did not go anywhere after supper. Again, they did not go anywhere after supper. They had done no work for 4 days. The answer is, you have to write here, they had not done any work for 4 days. They had not done any work for 4 days. My uncle can see nothing without glasses. My uncle cannot see anything without glasses. You can write like this. My uncle cannot see anything without glasses. Okay, so I hope it will be benefit for you. Okay, we will meet you again in next video lecture. Thank you. May God bless you.